It is time. I have got to get trim up on this window so I can hang regular curtains. So today's a beautiful sunny day, and I'm going to follow that measure twice and cut, measure twice and cut once. So let's see, we've got 36 inches here, and 36 and 20 is 56. Let's try it with this one in the middle. So yeah, I've got 55 and a half this way, and let's see it near the bottom. It's 55.5. Check that measurement here. Yeah, 55.5 across. And down, I've got 44 3/4. And over here, ooh, I'm not measuring from the same thing. I gotta measure from this. Okay, so that's 46. This is 46. And this is 46. So 46 up and down. Now, that would be if I just wanted to go across and down, but looking at how I don't want to do the metered corners. I want it just to come up like that or like that. So one of them has to be, if I get trim that is, say, roughly 1x4, then one of these has to be 4 inches wider across the top. 4 inches. Okay, I'll have to think about that. And then I've got to do this kitchen window, or the over the sink window. And so with there, let's see, it's got to go from here. That's 20 and a half. If I go from this space, that's 23. And on this side, it's 23. And then across is 31. And across here is 31. So add up all those inches and divide them by 12, and I'll know the length, and then put a little more for cushion because I'm not like all that sure about what I'm doing here yet. And then I'll get it at either Lowe's or Menards, whoever's got the best price. I do get a 5% discount at Lowe's by using my credit card, even if I come home and pay it immediately off, which is the best idea. It is still 5% off of the total cost. So, not sure. It looks like they put that up with little nails. And so I'm guessing I guess I need to watch a YouTube video on how to do, put trim around windows, and maybe I'll learn something. I'm not going to jump in and cut until I'm sure that I've got enough and I know how I'm going to attach it and where I'm going with it. So keep watching. I'll go to the store next, and let's make sure I get enough trim.